You know, the Queen has never been more excited to tell you about a shower cleaner. It's my miracle cleaner, and it will clean tile, fiberglass, faux marble so fast and so well you won't believe it. I can't wait to show you how to make it. In order to make the Queen's Miracle Cleaner, you only need 2 ingredients. You're going to combine 1 cup of Dawn Original or Dawn Ultra liquid dish soap. To that, you're going to add 1 cup of heated white vinegar. Now, heat it in the microwave or on the stove, but it should only be warm enough that you can put your finger in it and not get burned. It doesn't need to boil or be too hot. You're going to put all of that together in a spray bottle, but you will not shake. Instead, you'll simply roll the bottle around like this to combine it, because you don't want to get a lot of foam in that. That really is all you need to do to make the Queen's Miracle Cleaner. Okay, now I want to show you how to use the Queen's Miracle Cleaner. First of all, put on a good heavy coat. Let this cleaner do the work for you. Then you're going to take a scrubbing sponge with the rough side out, and you're going to scrub that in just a little bit. Doesn't take a lot of rubbing. Put it on, and I usually do 1 wall at a time. Then simply walk away for 30 minutes. Put your feet up, relax. Come back in about 30 minutes, get in, scrub it around again, add a little more if necessary. And now this is the part where I really have to talk dirty to you, because if I was at home in my shower, I'd be naked either before or after the shower, and I'd be rinsing it down like that. Now, what I want you to be sure and do is rinse down 1 wall at a time so that you don't have it foaming all over the place. Use cold water, and remember, do the floor last. If you squirt the floor down with it, it's soap. It's going to be slippery, and I don't want you to fall. So make sure you follow that. Now, I'm going to go back to cleaning, and you know what? I think you should go mix up some Miracle Cleaner and get busy too. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.